Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Lab by Saurabh. In this video, we are going to explore one of the hottest topic in AI, that is Agentic RAG. If you heard about the RAG, that is retrieval augment generation, but are you wondering what makes Agentic RAG different? In this video, we will discuss about those things. By end of this video, you will understand what Agentic RAG is, how it works, why it is better than the traditional RAG, how LlamaIndex fit into the architecture, and where this technology is being used in the real world. So let's start this video. What is the RAG? So before understanding the agentic RAG, let's quickly understand the traditional RAG. So RAG stands for retrieval augment generation. Normally AI model answer the question based on the knowledge it learned through the training. But what happens if the information is new or exists inside the your company documents? So that's where RAG came in, right? Instead of replying on its memory, the AI first retrieved relevant information from the document or database. Then it used the information to generate an accurate result. This significantly reduced the hallucination and improved the factual accuracy. Now we are coming to the agentic RAG. So let's take the thing one step further. Agentic RAG doesn't just retrieve the information, it can actually think before acting. Instead of following a fixed pipeline, an AI isn't analyze the user question, decide what's the information it needs, select the right tools, retrieve the relevant data, and finally generate the response. Think think of it as giving your AI assistant a brain of decision making instead of simply searching its plan, its action, differently. That's why this is called the agentic RAG. How does agentic RAG work? So let's understand the workflow step by step. Every start with a user question. For example, compare GPT-4 and Claude and calculate the price differences. The AI agent first read the query. Instead of immediately answering, it began the reasoning. It asks itself, why this information do I need? Which tool should I use? Should I search the document? Should I search the Wikipedia? Do I need a calculator? Based on the reasoning, the agent select the appropriate tools automatically. This ability to choose the tool dynamically is what makes the agentic AI so powerful, right? So, step one, first thing is the user query. The process began when the user asked the question. This question be about the research, business report, and coding, or any legal documents, or any document from healthcare or anything else, right? So the agent first understand the intent behind the question. Step two, AI agent planning. So now the AI agent start planning. Instead of following the predefined rule, it create a strategy, right? It decide which action should happen first. This planning phase is similar to how human think before the solving the problem. So now we are moving to step three, that is the tool selection. The first step is selecting the right tools. For example, if information exists inside the company document, the agent search those documents. If it need to public knowledge, it search the Wikipedia. If mathematical calculation is required, it call a calculator. If API is available, it can even call the external services. Unlike traditional RAG, agentic RAG is not limited to single knowledge source. Now we are coming to step 4. That is the Llama index. Now let's talk about the Llama index. So Llama index act as the bridge between your document and the language model. So it's convert document into embedding. Then embedding are stored inside the vector index. When the user asks a question, so Llama index perform the semantic search instead of keyword search. So that means it understands the meaning behind the question. Then it retrieve only the most relevant document chunks. This make the AI much more accurate. Now we are coming to step 5, large language model. Once the relevant information has been retrieved, the LLM receives the context. Now the model combines the reasoning with the retrieved knowledge. Instead of guessing, it generates the response based on the evidence. So this reduces the hallucination and improve the trust, right? So now we are going to compare the traditional RAG and agentic RAG. So let's compare this both, right? So traditional RAG follow the fixed retrieval pipeline, right? So agentic RAG is that is the dynamically plan every step. So traditional RAG usually use the one knowledge source, but agentic RAG can combine the multiple tools and data source. Traditional RAG retrieve once an answer. Agentic RAG can retrieve information multiple times during the reasoning. And traditional RAG generally limited decision making, but agentic RAG behaves much more like than the intelligent agent. Okay, now we are coming to technology stack part. So typically agentic RAG system includes the LlamaIndex for document indexing and retriever and LangChain for the agent orchestration, right? So OpenAI or another LLM are for the reasoning and response generation, embedding model for the semantic search, and vector database are, storing the embedding, and Python is a just programming language we use, and optional external tools like calculator, API, search engine, Wikipedia. So together this or component we create the highly intelligent AI system. So these are the technical technology stack. Now we are coming to the real world applications. So where the agentic RAG being used? So enterprise knowledge assistance, some customer support chatbot, healthcare information system, legal document analysis, or some kind of educational tutor, right? Or business intelligence in platform, or we try to build the software development assistant. So that time we can use this agentic RAG. Okay, so now we are discussing about what is the benefit of this agentic RAG. So there are many advantages. It's perform the autonomous decision making. It supports the multiple tools. It provide the some. It's also reduce the hallucination. It's remember the it's totally remember the conversation. Okay, so there are lots of benefit of this agentic RAG. It's also deliver much more reliable answer than the traditional AI system. Okay, so final thought in we are try to conclude this video. So agentic RAG represent the next generation AI application. Instead of simply retrieving the document, AI agent can now think, plan, and reason, okay, and also act. So when we combination with LlamaIndex, this create a powerful architecture capable of solving the complex real world problem. So if you're planning to build the modern AI assistant or any kind of enterprise chatbot or intelligence system, so that time you can use the agentic RAG. Is that will be the definitely save your time and it will be worth it for you. So now we are if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe this Think Lab by Saurabh, and let me know any comment or what topic would like to cover me in the next. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep building. See you soon.